Hi everyone, my name is Shreya and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to share with you guys the in-depth review and swatches of an eyeshadow palette. So this is the Color Boat eyeshadow palette by Beauty Glazed. It has been recently launched. It has 60 eyeshadow and the price is really less. It is the ultimate eyeshadow palette for all the beginners. So this eyeshadow palette comes in shape of a book rather than a palette. Now the opening is really nice. It has a magnetic opening here. Once you open it, here comes the first palette. Then you just need to turn it like this and you will get the second color. Then the third and the fourth. I'll discuss about the colors later on. First, I need to give you the review of this palette. So, this is a very compact palette. As you can see, it's very easy to carry. It's really small in size. Also, it's very handy. It contains of 4 boards. If you can see, each contains of 15 colors. And the eyeshadows have been color coded in such a great manner. If you can see, it's green, yellow and blue and pink. So it's really nice to have. If you can see the eyeshadow, I have done this using this eyeshadow palette. If you love to play with colors in your eyes, then this is a great buy. The eyeshadows are really very pigmented. Also, the color payoff is super good. They doesn't feel chalky at all. There is almost 0 to very less fallout. So price wise, it's great. It contains 3 types of eyeshadows: matte, shimmery and glitter shades, so it's really a great buy. The only one con I have found about this product is that it doesn't have any neutral shades or nude shades like browns or black. So if you are looking for nude shades, then you shouldn't buy this palette. Otherwise, it's a great palette if you have another nude palette in handy. I personally love colorful eyeshadow and that's why I purchased this product. Though you will find some shades of browns in it, but not a lot of nude shades. So it's like okay if you want nude, calm, colorful colors. Otherwise, you can look out for the other varieties which has colorful as well as nude shades. Also, you have to be very careful while you are working with this palette because since the colors are super pigmented, so a little of this does wonder. So if you are picking up a lot of colors, then it should be a blunder for your eyes. Now coming on to the eyeshadow palette. So once you open it, so this is the first eyeshadow palette. It has all the green colors. These 2 are neutral. This is a really beautiful yellow color. Now these 3 are glitter colors. It's a silver glitter. This is shimmer shade. These 2 are also shimmer shades and this one as well. Now the next palette is a beautiful golden color. This gives me a very summer come autumn vibes. So this has this again neutral shades: yellow, orange, red. These are the glitter colors, really beautiful. Okay, so this one and this one are shimmery shades. This 2 as well. This 2, I mean. Now let's go on to the third palette. So here are all the blues and it's a very beautiful palette. So this gives me a very cool vibes, like the winter vibes. Again, yellow. Though both the yellows, if you can see, are different. Now again, neutral shades. These 2 are the glitter shades. Then these are shimmery shades. This is nude. These are nude colors again. This is such a beautiful, pretty blue color, you see. This is my favorite. I purchased this palette just because of this tray. I am such a big fan of blue color. Now moving on to the last palette. So pinkish, purplish. It gives the perfect spring vibes. So pretty. This is a glitter color. This is again a glitter color. Oh, this matches my nail paint as well. Or this one, I don't know. Nudes. These 3 are shimmery and this one as well is a bit of shimmery shade. Really nice purple. and pinks and violets. So this is the whole palette. I'm holding the upper two trays with my fingers, otherwise it will fall down like the green one. I don't know if the light is doing, it's falling, wait. Okay, so I don't know if the light is doing justice in the camera. I guess it's perfect, but maybe not totally, so I don't know, but in person the colors are really very great. Oh, and another thing, this palette is not available in Nykaa. I'll give the links in the description box below from where you can purchase it, so don't forget to check that out. Another thing when I'm looking at this palette as a whole is that you won't find a golden glitter shade. So if you are someone who likes wearing golden glitter shade, then there is no such color here, but yeah, you can wear this one. Wait, let me show you this color. I don't know if it's visible or not. Wait, let me show you like this one. Yeah, so you can obviously wear this color. This one I'm wearing right now, if you can see on my lids. So it's really pretty, even if it's not golden, but you can rock any occasion with this color. So yeah, this is really nice. I'm so in love with this color. Oh, one more thing. Where is that? Wait, let me find it out first. See how silly I am. It was right in front of my eyes, but still I couldn't see it even after wearing lenses. So yeah, the first palette, above that you get this film, this transparent one, and hey, don't worry, it's transparent, and that's why I couldn't see it. Okay, so what I thought that right, this color, if you can see right at this corner, and this one, these two are quite similar, no? I thought that, but very minor difference there is. So otherwise it's almost similar. And this yellow, I thought it's similar, but then no, it's different. And this one, it's better than this. But yeah, this goes with this whole blue vibes, and this one with this green vibe, so it's really good. And this, look at this beautiful shimmer shade. Wait, this one, this is like very cool blue shimmer shade, and again I just love blue so much. This one, and also this shimmer shades, this too, and this one का तो कोई बात ही नहीं है. This is the best, but this too, like, it's more bluish purple, and it's more bluish, if that makes any sense. So I'll give you the swatches of all these 4 palettes, so keep on watching. guys can see it or not, but my arm has turned so red due to the removal of the eyeshadows continuously, and also it has turned glittery. And yeah, the eyeshadow tutorial is up next, so keep on watching. If you guys have enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also, do share with your friends and family. Please do subscribe to my channel. It will mean really a lot. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon just beside the subscribe button. I will see you guys next time. Till that time, take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.